Hi, it's Rajiv Hauladar, freelancer at Upwork. I'm full stack web developer and I'm working last 10 years on PHP driven various CMS and framework like WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, Magento, KickPHP, etc. You are looking for a WordPress expert, and I can say confidently I'm one of better candidate for that role. I'm saying this based on my working style. Most of WordPress developer familiar with plugin and theme customization, and there is a common wrong practice to make change on core file on this plugin and theme. Few developers do it to save their time, but it's not good practice for future development and update too. I always go through an easy process who can filter to make plugin customization. And for theme customization, I use child theme. Similarly, to develop a custom theme, most of developers write non-structured custom code for theme option, whereas I always use a framework to make theme option. Generally, I prefer Redux framework, Redux or option framework. I follow uniquely identified file system to declare custom taxonomy and post type for required custom function on this theme. I always prefer TGM whenever I use any external plugin within the custom theme and customize this function, this plugin function using filter on function file as I described before. And I never use JS and CS by scripting NQScript. Finally, I can say I'm long experienced on various API integration like Indeed, Bullhorn, Rotten Tomatoes, Facebook, Twitter, etc. That's all as my overview. Hope my description will make a good impression on your selection process.